Importance of water for chickens. 1. Essential for life and metabolism. Water constitutes about 60% of a chicken's body and approximately 66% of an egg's content. It's involved in every aspect of poultry metabolism, including digestion, nutrient transport, waste elimination, and temperature regulation. 2. Digestion and nutrient absorption. Water aids in softening feed in the crop, facilitating digestion, and ensuring nutrients are absorbed efficiently. 3. Temperature regulation. In hot climates, chickens consume significantly more water to maintain their body temperature and prevent overheating. For instance, a laying hen's water requirement can triple from 200 milliliters at 0 degrees Celsius to 600 milliliters at 38 degrees Celsius. 4. Egg production. Eggs are about 70% water. Adequate water intake is essential for hens to produce healthy eggs consistently. How long can chickens survive without water? Adult chickens, typically they can survive without water for about 48 hours. However, in hot weather, this duration can decrease to as little as 8 hours due to increased risk of dehydration and heat stress.